welcome back to my channel. I'm Astrid. So today, we will unbox this Crayola ice cream party! So guys, if you are new to my channel, please click that subscribe button below your screen to get more video updates and more notifications on my channel. Now guys, let's get back to this video. Okay guys, now let's unbox. Popsicle mold. We got the Crayola dough. 4 sets of Crayola dough. So we got red, yellow, blue, and green. Okay, now we got 4 cones and a spoon and this one, a popsicle. We can just put it over here. So guys, do you want to start making some ice cream and popsicles?
Yes!
Let's begin! Okay guys, we're gonna make the popsicle! This is the ice cream. First we got red and then yellow and then like orange, dark orange, red, that's red orange. Then guys, next we got another ice cream cone with blue and then green and then more of those red orange toppings. And then we got a spoon. And then we got red. Okay, guys, we got red and then green and then more of those red green. Red orange toppings. Then last but not the least, green for the bottom, yellow at the top, and then red orange at the topping. So guys, if you want more videos like this, please visit my Facebook page, Astrid Mulles. Please visit my YouTube channel, Astrid Mulles. And if you like this video, please like and share and click the subscribe button to get new video updates. Thanks for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye!